Okay, today we're gonna be making beef. I don't know how to say it. Gyu-Don. Okay, these ingredients you'll need: onions, the size of curly French fries, thinly sliced beef, sugar, mirin, soy sauce, and then these eggs. So for these eggs, you wanna boil water. Make sure it's bubbling. Turn off the heat. Put in the eggs cold from the fridge, raw. Cover the lid, let it sit for maybe 20 minutes or so, and dump it in an ice bath and just leave that. You can do this step first since this takes the longest. So I'm going to start working on the beef. This water, I just got it to boiling and I turn off the fire. And then you just want to take as much beef as you need and place it inside. Make sure they're thin strips. So I want this much, swirl it around, it's gonna cook real quick. Okay, yep, that's about done. And don't overcook it. Just gonna set it aside. Oh, and you'll need rice for this recipe, but you don't have to unless you just want a bunch of meat. No rice. Okay, I'm gonna start working on the sauce. So we're gonna need some water. Not too much. Think of it, you're making a sauce. Okay, let's blast the heat to high. Throw in your onions. And then just give that a mix. Look how thinly sliced these strips are. It smells good, right? The doggo came. Okay, it looks like I hear sizzling, it's boiling, it's getting there. Yep, continue to leave this on high. You want these to be softened. Okay, let's go ahead and put in some soy. Not too much because this dish is pretty sweet. And then mirin if you have any, but honestly you can just do sugar. And then some regular white sugar. You can be generous on the sugar. And if the color is looking a bit light, just throw in more soy. Okay, continue to leave the heat on high. Cook until softened. Get a spoon. No. Okay, finally. Damn, it's overcooked.